From balls that act as your personal assistant to a digital timepiece that'll have you itching to get your hands on, this next lineup of gadgets is sure to satisfy your tech cravings. Let's get into it. Meet Barava, a hanging lava lamp that's just as vivid and dynamic as its ancestor, except that it's also app-controlled, smart home compatible, and lets you sync the colorful lights inside the lamp to the music you're listening to. And just when you thought that was enough, it also comes with an integrated microphone and speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, and can sync up with several lights to create your own animated light show. This lava lamp not only enchants with its hypnotic blobs of color, but also obeys your every command through a user-friendly app. Yes, you heard right. Barava is as smart as it is stylish. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can switch between an infinite number of hues, tailor-made to suit your mood or ambience. Barava is the epitome of modern design, seamlessly blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Who knew lava lamps could come back in style with such elegance? Get ready to be blown away by Nothing's latest headphones, boasting a premium 11mm ceramic driver that pumps out audio so crisp, it'll make your ears sing with joy. Need to block out the noise of the world? Ear's Smart Active Noise Cancellation has your back, offering up to 45 decibels of peace and quiet. Plus, with an 8-band EQ and personal sound profile, you can tweak your tunes to match your mood or even your horoscope. And here's the kicker, you'll get a whopping 40+ hours of listening time on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to dance like nobody's watching or listening. Because why settle for anything less than audio perfection? We've all felt tired and powerless, hauling bulky gear, logging tens of thousands of steps, getting lost on a beautiful trail, and ultimately ruining the vibe of what we originally expected. But what if there was a way to overcome the constraints imposed by nature, venture farther into the forest, scale higher mountains, and push the boundaries of previously unheard of speed limits? Wouldn't you take it? That's where Hypershell Omega comes in. This revolutionary device not only allows you to run faster, but also climb higher, travel farther, carry more, or just simply walk more easily. With the ability to offset up to 30 kilograms of weight thanks to the M1 Bionic motor, it redefines agility in activities like hiking, running, and mountaineering. It comes equipped with 14 high-precision sensors that respond instantaneously to your every move and hyper mode for that extra burst of power. Not only that, its foldable nature makes it backpack-friendly, and the high-density batteries extend your travel range up to 16 miles. And with a motion engine that adapts to speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and inclines of 60 degrees along with 10 additional joints for added flexibility, navigating through your day has never been smoother. Since we're talking about futuristic tech that's set to transform your daily activities, let's talk about the Samsung Bally. This revolutionary sphere drives itself about the house to accomplish different chores, serving as a personal home assistant, assisting you in a variety of circumstances by connecting to and controlling household equipment. By continuously analyzing user patterns and habits, Bally can deliver more intelligent, individualized services tailored just for you. Furthermore, this rolling wonder enhances the quality and productivity of living at home by controlling music, taking phone calls, and projecting fitness videos in the ideal size onto the wall or floor. And when users are away from home, Bally gives them peace of mind by sending video updates of their beloved pets straight to their devices. This pint-sized robotic sidekick isn't just rolling into your life, it's redefining the meaning of personal assistant. The VOOC e-trike isn't just another mode of transportation. It's an exciting journey waiting to happen. Imagine the thrill of learning exhilarating drifts and the delight of steady sailing. Well, with VOOC, you get to embrace these possibilities and let your inner adventurer out. Prepare yourself for an experience that flawlessly combines transportation with non-stop enjoyment. This e-trike features two 3,000-watt hub motors that can provide a maximum of 6,000 watts in combined power, with a nominal power of 1,000 watts and a peak power of 3,000 watts for each motor. This technological marvel can go from 0 to 100 in only 7 seconds. In addition, VOOC offers a refreshing release from the fatigue-inducing scooter rides that typically require you to stand throughout your journey. Not only is this trike more comfortable than regular scooters, it's also more practical and fun. It's the perfect mix of durability, style, performance, and unparalleled range. On average, we spend 6 to 10 hours a day in front of our screens, working tirelessly to achieve our goals, and we've grown accustomed to the discomfort, mess, and exhausting aftermath that come with traditional keyboards. Because of this, we've been forced into unnatural positions over time. That's where the KnockFree Light keyboard sets you free with its unparalleled adjustability. accommodating various body types and habits, ensuring everyone finds their most comfortable position. The split and wireless design also gives you greater flexibility in desktop management for maximum comfort, productivity, and aesthetics. In wireless mode, no wires connect the two halves, leaving your desk setup neat and tasteful. So bid farewell to bad posture and wrist pain, as this keyboard is here to save the day. The Black Time 11 p.m. is a digital timepiece that's got a peculiar swag about it, donning a twin spherical AMOLED display inspired by black holes and the space-time continuum. This unique timepiece turns heads with its first-of-its-kind layout. It's not just a watch, it's a robust, sturdy-shelled marvel packed with smart capabilities and health tracking features all rolled into one sleek package. A 9-axis compass, interchangeable watch faces, and 3D holographic display technology are just a few of the notable features of the Black Time, which also monitors blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and daily activity levels. To preserve battery life, this watch dims its display and deactivates features when the wearer's arm is at rest, promptly restoring brightness and functionality when the arm is raised. This one-of-a-kind watch truly stands out from the crowd. If you're looking to buy a small boat this year, the GoSun electric boat might be something to consider. GoSun is a well-known brand for solar appliances and items like electric coolers, solar ovens, and solar kitchens. And now they've expanded their product range to include a new kind of solar device, one with an electric motor of 1.3 kilowatts that can drive the inflatable catamaran-style electric boat. It's known as the LCAT, and it's here to transform your boating days. When completely erect, the LCAT is 15 feet long by 8 feet wide by 6 feet tall. It weighs 264 pounds and folds down to a neatly compact size of 4 feet by 2 feet, reaching speeds of up to 6 knots and supporting a total weight of over 1,300 pounds, basically up to 6 humans. It's ready to head out into the water for a day spent with good friends. According to the manufacturer, LCAT will run all day at trolling speeds, and the boat's range can be increased by using solar energy with the addition of 200-watt solar panels mounted on the roof. Get ready for days well spent in the summer sun. Varjo's latest line of headsets combines the most cutting-edge mixed reality technology available with the most powerful graphical processing unit, all to meet the demands of industrial use cases where the greatest levels of visual fidelity and immersion are essential. And that means you get to experience a whole new level of extended reality with the Varjo XR4 VR series. With an expansive field of view measuring 120 degrees by 105 degrees, XR experiences are elevated to new heights, defying the traditional limitations of full binocular vision. But that's not all. The XR headset in the XR4 series boasts the highest resolution ever produced. With 200 nits of brightness, 28 million pixels of industrial-grade color accuracy, and local dimming for breathtaking contrast, the custom full-dome aspheric lenses deliver unrivaled visual fidelity. Get ready to dive into a world of immersive XR like never before. The Ceremonic Blink wireless microphone system combines the ultra-compact and incredibly user-friendly features of the standard Blink 500 with high-end luxuries like crisp OLED screens, mono-stereo output modes, 60% longer battery life, and twice the operating range. This system offers mobile journalists, run-and-gun videographers, and content creators on a budget and all-inclusive professional solution for recording audio on their camera, camcorder, smartphone, or tablet. With its higher signal-to-noise ratio and more sensitive integrated microphone, the Ceremonic Blink produces noticeably better sound quality than the built-in microphones on cameras and mobile devices. Good things really do come in small packages. When the Nebula Tech Art speaker was going to be designed, the guys had one inspiration in mind: the space program. With its cutting-edge ferrofluid display and elegant modular design that honors the legacy of space exploration, Nebula is a tech art speaker that makes music tangible. Pair your phone via Bluetooth 5.3 and enjoy a relaxing night in your bedroom or a wild night out on the dance floor as the captivating ferrofluid moves to the beat of the music. Its unique design produces breathtaking 360-degree stereo sound with 4 high-fidelity speaker drivers housed in 2 distinct chambers. And with soft, moody ambient lighting and intuitive controls, your playlist can become more than just background noise. So if you're ready to elevate your audiovisual game to the next level, then the Nebula Tech Art speaker is exactly what you need. We'll catch you later.